Passages, 3rd edition. Level 1. Unit 6 quiz. Part A. Listen to a news report about a robbery. Then check true or false.
And now for our local news. There was a robbery on Friday at Kate's Kitchen, a local restaurant on Beach Street. Kate Miller, the owner and manager of Kate's Kitchen, was counting money late at night after the restaurant closed. According to Miller, two nervous-looking women knocked on the window and asked for help. Miller was worried someone was after them, so she let them in. When Miller opened the door, the women pushed her to the floor and took the money, about $2,000 in cash. Luckily, Miller wasn't injured and is currently working with local police to recover the money. A security video from a nearby apartment building shows two women matching Miller's description running past the door of the building. Police think this video shows the two robbers as they fled the scene. Police also received a tip from two neighbors who were out walking their dogs at the time of the robbery. They saw two women driving away in a blue car. If anyone has any information about the robbery, please call Police Precinct 245.